Hello everyone, this is our Crisp DM showcase for CIT 348, made by Justin Robertson, Tiba Almafaci, Jared Fengman, and John Lewis. The Crisp DM overview. The purpose of Crisp DM is to provide a methodology that is well structured for any industry, with the purpose of being used for executing, planning, and managing data projects. Crisp DM is a 6-phase, iterative, and adaptive process that allows for continuous improvement. This allows teams the freedom to move back and forth between phases as new items or thoughts become relevant. It is a highly adaptable process for teams to deploy a data solution. The 6 phases of Crisp DM: business understanding, data preparation, modeling, evaluation, and deployment. The Crisp DM steps. Business understanding is used to define project goals and success criteria. It is used to identify the problem, objectives, and constraints. It is used to align the project with business needs and ensures focus. Data understanding is used to explore and assess the available data. It is used to check for errors, missing values, and patterns. We use it to ensure data quality and it identifies potential issues earlier in the project. Data preparation is used to transform raw data into analysis-ready data. We use it to select data, clean data, and format data. It is one of the most time-consuming parts of the process. We use it to better prepare for the following steps and ensures better accuracy and efficiency. Modeling. Modeling is used to apply modeling techniques to prepare data. We use it to select modeling techniques, build and train models, evaluate performance. It is used to create predictive or descriptive models that function. Evaluation. Evaluation is used to evaluate the model's quality and make sure it efficiently meets the objective outlined. We use it to compare results to goals and criteria discussed in business understanding. Review questions asked. Decide on next steps. We use it to quality check before we commit to the deployment phase. Deployment is used to deliver insight and integrate results into business decisions. We use it to implement solutions, create dashboards or reports to monitor performance. It is used to turn analysis into value for the organization. Okay, so obviously we start the business understanding phase, and then we'll move to data understanding. But in data understanding, you may have to go back to the business phase because some of the data you found earlier might not match what originally you thought in the business understanding phase. So like for instance, like some of the numbers you had might not fit with your earlier model that you thought you were going to have. So then you have to go back to business understanding and then go back to data understanding to then finalize that part of the understanding project. And then we'll go from data understanding to data preparation, and from data preparation to data modeling. While you're in the modeling phase, you might realize that some of your models didn't fit with the data you thought you had, so then you'll have to go back to data preparation and refigure some of the modeling that you need to do. And then from modeling, we'll go to evaluation. In the evaluation stage, you'll see if you're ready to deploy. If you're not ready to deploy, you may have to go back to the business understanding phase to better better understand why it didn't reach the business part of the understanding of it. And then from business, and then you may have to just keep going around the loop again until you reach the deployment phase there. Or even evaluation, you might have to go back to modeling just to because maybe the modeling didn't reach what the evaluation you thought you were going to get there. And then the last stage would be deployment, Once you're at the deployment stage, you're done with that part of it, but you'll still have to go back and see kind of what maintenance you think you'll have to do and some other things like that. If you guys have any questions, just let us know. Thank you. Bye.